Hi everyone, this is Dahlia Cahigas with Remax City View. I'm at 5101 West Montana, Unit 5S. It's on the corner of LeClaire and Montana in Chicago. Here is our kitchen. Here is our entryway to the living room. This is the master bedroom. I believe it's 12 by 15. Lots of storage. We will walk through the hallway to the second bedroom. It's 8 by 9. Nice spot for an office or a small child's bedroom. And here's the bath. Ceramic tile. Window in the bathroom. Now we're going to head to the back area, the back door. Rear staircase, new in 2019. The roof to the building is from 2017-2018. And there's also a side yard for the occupants, which is a great feature now to be able to spend some time in the yard. Again, Dahlia Cahigas, Remax City View, 773-879-4855. Have a wonderful day.